Title: The 2013 10-cent Singapore coin, From Pocket Change to Millions. Welcome back to Numismatics Coins, where we explore the fascinating world of coin collecting and numismatics. Today, we've got a real treasure to talk about, the 2013 10-cent Singapore coin, rumored to be worth millions. Stick around to learn all about its history, rarity, and current market value. Here it is, the 2013 10-cent Singapore coin. It may seem ordinary, but this unassuming coin hides a remarkable secret that has collectors and enthusiasts buzzing. Let's start with a bit of history. The 10-cent coin, featuring a seahorse design, was minted in Singapore in 2013 as part of a series. At first glance, it's just like any other coin in your pocket, but what makes this coin special is its rarity. You see, only a limited number of these coins were produced, and most of them entered circulation, making them hard to find today. Coin collectors prize coins in pristine condition. If you can find a 2013 10-cent Singapore coin in uncirculated or near mint condition, you've hit the jackpot. Over the years, there have been stories of people finding these coins in their change and selling them for astounding amounts. It's these tales of ordinary people striking it rich that have captured the public's imagination. So, just how much is a 2013 10-cent Singapore coin worth today? Well, recent sales have seen these coins go for thousands, and in some cases, even millions of dollars. To get a deeper understanding, we spoke with coin experts and collectors who shared their insights on the rising value of this coin. The 2013 10-cent Singapore coin's value has skyrocketed in recent years due to its rarity and the growing interest in numismatics. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for well-preserved specimens. Now, should you rush to check your change jar for this elusive coin? Well, while it's exciting to think about finding a valuable coin, collecting should be about passion, not just profit. In conclusion, the 2013 10-cent Singapore coin is a prime example of how the world of coin collecting can hold hidden treasures. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, it's a reminder to keep your eyes peeled for that rare find in your pocket change. Thanks for joining us today on Numismatics Coins. Don't forget to